Hi friends, welcome to Math Mind Logic. This question really tests your problem solving skills. Let's write this as 3 to the power a plus 3 square raised to the power a plus 3 cube raised to the power a as 84. Remember 3 raised to the power m raised to the power n is also equal to 3 raised to the power n raised to the power m. Use this here. 3 raised to the power a plus 3 raised to the power a square plus 3 raised to the power a cube is equal to 84. Let's take 3 raised to the power a as x. This will become x plus x square plus x cube is equal to 84. If we try for integral value of x equal to 5 will give x cube as 125. So this will not be possible. Maximum possible x would be x equal to 4, which gives x cube as 64, x square 16 and x 4. If we take their sum, this comes out to be 84, which is same as the right hand side. This gives our x as 4, which is also equal to 3 raised to the power a. Let's take log base 3 both the side. This will become log of 4 base 3 equal to log of 3 raised to the power a base 3, which will be equal to a. Therefore, your answer is log of 4 base 3.